Hi everyone, this is Magdala. Welcome. And today I'm going to unbox and also review that little device that I purchased not too long ago. It's H1n. As you can see, I have it. I just purchased that on my Amazon store. You will find that right in the description. So this device is a recording device. It's very helpful and easy to use. The name of that device is Zoom H1n. It's a portable recording device. It has a good quality sound, and if you record your sounds, for sure, you're gonna have good quality sound, and it is very, very helpful. Okay, so I had difficulty getting good sound for my videos, so that's the reason I purchased that device. If you can see on the screen, I will show you some of the things that you need to know about that device. In the front, you will see the display screen. This one here, it shows you the time and also the level of the sound, and it also shows you the battery. For example, you can see the little battery sign. If your device is low on battery, you will be able to see it, and on top of it you will see that button. It's the knob that you can address, and that will help you set the level of the sound. Below also you have the audio, you have the low cut, the limiter, and the auto level. These buttons are very, very needed. You need them to set the type of sounds, the quality, and the level that you need. If you look at in the book, there's a book that comes with the device that will help you exactly show you how to use the device. And also, you have that button right here is the recording button. This is the one that you will press to start recording the sound, and below you have the option. It's the one that you have to press to pause, and also the book will tell you exactly how to use it, because they are more used to it. There's the play button, and then also below the play button you will see the play forward and backward button. And if you look at on the side of the device, you will see there is that line. It's where you put your headphone, the line out right here. You can connect your headphone, and you have the button below it, which is the volume. That's how you adjust the volume. You will press up and down to adjust the volume. Okay. The next one here, you can see on the other side, we have the you have a USD, and then you have a USB button, and then you also have a setting. That setting, you have two things attached to it. You have the trash button. That's the one you have to press to delete anything that you don't need in that device. And if you press the other one, you press it down and you hold it. That's how you turn that device on. And if you want to turn it off, you will do the same thing. You will slide it down, and then it's gonna turn on. So that device is very, very helpful, guys. You know, it I love it. And since I have that device, I know I will be putting some good quality sounds on my videos. And I already tried one of this, and it's so, so helpful. And the sound is very, 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 very clear. So I'm gonna let you hear a recording of water. Okay, I record the river, the water that was like a waterfall, and I'm gonna let you hear a little bit, and you will see how clear that was. You hear that? I use that device to record the sound. have a meditation channel, for example, or if you have you are an artist, you need to record good quality sound, I recommend you to use that Zoom H1 portable record. And that recorder, not only it's easy to use, easy to go, and you can go anywhere you want with it. You can slide it in your pocket, you know. It's so light and so good and good quality. You can touch it and you see. And you can purchase it right in my store. The link is in the comment and also in the description. And depending on which social media platform you are at, you might be able to find the link to the store in the bio. So, guys, this device is the best. I really, really needed that. And I know a lot of people are looking for a good device to record your videos and to record just the sounds on your videos. So this is a must have. And also, guys, don't forget, if it's the first time you come here, you can continue follow me and stay connect. So next time when I come with a good video, you can have access to it before everybody else. And thank you again, guys, for watching that video. And I'll see you next time. It was Magdala with you guys.